Hey guys, I am Bhavik. Welcome to my channel by Encoder, and today we are going to write a Python script which can predict stock prices for us. So let's get to work. The first thing we have to do is install some libraries with pip. So this is the command for it. It will install all of them. Just paste it here. This will install pandas for opening the file, matplotlib for displaying the data, and sklearn to predict our next stock prices. So let's hit enter, and this will install all the modules for us. So I will minimize this. So now we will import all those libraries we just installed. First we will import pandas, then we will import matplotlib.pyplot, and then linear regression model from sklearn. Now the thing is, we need old data or history data of any stocks to predict the next stock prices. So for that we will go to Google. So for that we will go to Google and search for some stock. For now we will get Apple. So I will click on the first line, and this will take me here, and we need the historic data. So to get it in a CSV file, just click on download, go here and save it. And now I will create a variable file is equals to, in quotes, the relative path of this file. I will right click and copy relative path, then paste it here. That will be just the name. Now I will do pandas.read the file, but we have a CSV file, read CSV file, and then we will save the data in a variable named data that is imported from the CSV file, and then from that we need the index number is equals to from data index, and also price. Now the file we downloaded does not have these column names, so we will edit it, because it right now has like highest, lowest, close data, adjective, edj, close, but we don't need this, so just do control minus to remove the column. And I will just keep the close one. Delete. Now I will rename it as price, add one new row, rename it as index, and one here, 2, 3. Now just select it and extend it here. So now we have data till index 251. So I will save it, and now we'll just try to print all the prices just to see that it works or not. So here it is, the application is running, and here you can see we are having all the data here, but its index is starting from 0. No problem thing. So there is some problem with this line, so I will change it to from, and this is import linear regression. Okay, cool. And li linear regression as a short form is equals to li linear regression with a bracket, and now we will fetch the data in linear regression dot fit, and we will pass in index and price. So we have this, and I will put it inside one more square brackets. Nice. And now we will say just to predict, we will ask him to predict our next prices. So linear regression dot predict, and we'll say predict index, and here we have to give it an index. So as you can see, we already have it until the number 151, so we need 152. Close this. 152, and just directly print it. Run it. So there must not be any problems. So this is what predicted. So here it is, your application is already now able to predict the prices. So now let's display it with matplotlib. So we'll say pyplot dot plot prices index comma price. We have imported it as plt, so we will here replace it with plt and plt dot show. So as you can see, this is the data until yesterday, means today, and we also want it for tomorrow, the predicted one. So to append the new predicted data, we'll just say index, inside the square brackets, the length of index plus 1 is equals to just this. Cool. And then maybe it will be plus 2, because it starts with 0, right? So we will add 2 maybe, and do same with the price. The price will be the predicted thing. The answer you will get, as you can see, when it was predicted, it was inside a list inside another list. So we will get 0, and we will get 0 inside this 0. Okay, let's try. Okay, cool. And now we will plot it once. Let's run it. So as you can see, our application is able to predict the prices of the stock prices, but these are never gonna be accurate. It is taking 1 month data to predict 1 day of 1 day, which may not probably be accurate even then. So I don't suggest you to rely on this data. It was just a fun Python project, so I felt like to share with you. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.